Are your children obsessed with fidgets? Are they asking for you for marble and mesh, mushies, poppers, and sensitive fidgets? Are you thinking, I wish there was a box that had all of these fidget toys in one place? If this is you, look no further. Zen introduces Fidget Toy Pack Ends All searches. And this is have like a butterfly dimple. Your favorite pop or fidget toy is now even better with a rigid base and large, soft and satisfying push poppers. And they have snake cubes. Twist and mold the snake cubes into a different animals, shapes, or whatever other wild creation you can dream up. And they have the wacky track. Shape the wacky track into an endless shapes. As you shape the wacky track, it makes it satisfying click sound. And they have marble and mesh. Twist, squeeze, and pull on the marble and mesh. Move the marble back and forth down the center of the mesh. And they have the monkey noodles. Stretch the multicolor monkey noodles, braid them into a colorful rope, or wrap them around your hands and fingers. There is no wrong way to play with these stretchy noodles. If you want to get to know more about this product, you're gonna find it in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.